During the autumn and early winter, you're likely to see mushrooms appear at random on your lawn, which become more common as the level of damp in the lawn surface increases and temperatures both by day and night start to fall. While many of the mushrooms found on a domestic lawn are harmless, and while they may not reoccur in the same position, they're likely to be an ongoing problem throughout the late autumn and early winter period. So, they may need removing on more than one occasion. All mushrooms derive from a wide range of fungi that are found in the soil, and as they can form multiple clusters, they can become an eyesore if left to multiply. There are several actions that can be taken to limit their future growth. Keep the lawn free of thatch through regular scarification, and with the completion of aeration treatments throughout the year to maintain good drainage and reduce the amount of moisture in the lawn surface, you can significantly reduce the chance of them reforming.